Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to use USB mouse on MacBook. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how to exactly use a mouse or USB mouse in your MacBook. So typically speaking, usually this is what a mouse would look like. So you have that typical USB look here. Well, the thing with this one, or the typical USB, usually a MacBook has a USB-C, which is a advanced version of a USB. Which in this case, if you try plugging this, so this one into this, it's not going to fit because these are different ports and this is a different connector. Now, if you really want to use a mouse, you need, or a wired mouse or USB mouse here, you need to use either a converter here that you can buy on Amazon or anything online. But what I would recommend you to try using here is going to be the one that is officially from Apple themselves. So they actually publish, or they actually manufacture a accessory for this one, so which converts your USB port into a USB 1, which in this case, if you do plug this in here, you should be able to plug it in here and you should be able to start using that mouse. But yeah, so currently this is the only way for you to use a USB mouse here on MacBook, unless you have a different mouse here that directly uses a USB-C port on it. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.